University of Southern Queensland has over 160 programs, anything from archaeology to psychology, human services to paramedicine. There's lots of opportunities here, and people should come along and find out what their passion is and what they can study with the University of Southern Queensland. People should come to Open Day to find out what programs we offer and what they can study with us. There's lots of opportunity to find your passion here at the University of Southern Queensland and pick a degree that will suit your style. To find out more about the University of Southern Queensland, visit our website unisq.edu.au.